Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom for webinar funnels and lead capture, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Zoom for webinar funnels and lead capture, begin by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the webinars section in the left sidebar. Click on the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill out all required fields, including the webinar title and description. Set the date and time for your webinar. Choose the duration that best fits your content. Enable registration by checking the box next to registration options. Customize registration settings to gather lead information such as name and email. Select only authenticated users can join for added security, if desired. Scroll down to webinar options and enable features such as Q&A and polling. Click Save to finalize your webinar setup. Next, go to your email marketing platform or funnel builder. Create a new lead capture page for your webinar. Include a clear call to action encouraging visitors to register. Link the registration form to your Zoom webinar registration page. Use an API or integration tool to connect Zoom with your email platform for automated follow-ups. Set up confirmation and reminder emails to be sent to registrants. Test the registration process to ensure everything works smoothly. On the day of the webinar, log into your Zoom account at least 30 minutes prior. Start the webinar and engage with attendees. After the webinar, review analytics and check attendee reports in Zoom. Utilize the recorded session to create content for future lead capture. Monitor your email platform for any new leads from the webinar. Continue to nurture these leads with follow-up emails tailored to their interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.